Welcome to the Superhero Lab. Experiments for kindergarten children. Do you know what happens when oil spills into the water? It can lead to an environmental disaster. It harms fish, seabirds, dolphins, corals, everything that lives in the water. How can we clean it? Do oil and water mix? Find out with the next experiment. You will need a plastic container, glass of oil, glass of water, spoon, dish soap, paper towels, plasticine, a water toy. Create the natural environment. Squish the modeling clay and shape any environment you like. Pour water into a bowl. This will be our lake. Our lake is clean for now. Add the duck. Even when it swims, it stays clean. Remove the duck and add at least 2 tablespoons of oil to the water. An oil spill forms. It floats on the surface. Put the duck back into our lake and let it swim. Take it out. Is it still clean? No, the oil has coated it completely. Remove the duck from the water. Add dishwashing detergent to the center of our oil-polluted lake. What happens? The oil pulls away from the detergent all the way to the edge of the bowl. The detergent creates an emulsion. It breaks the oil into tiny droplets that then float in the water. That is why detergent successfully removes grease from dishes in your kitchen or stains from your hands. The water can rinse away the small droplets more easily. The emulsion is easy to see if you mix water and oil with detergent added. Unfortunately, this does not mean we have cleaned the oil from our lake. We could do that only with a special absorbent foam that environmental engineers use during real oil spills. Find more experiments on the Superhero Lab YouTube channel and discover the scientist in you.